Okay, so we have a box that's 36 by 24, and we're cutting off x here, the corner, x by x. That makes this right here, because we're cutting off two x's, 24 minus 2x, and this, right, 36 minus 2x. If we're to fold this up, okay, it looks like this. Okay, so it will look something like that. Not sure if I'm doing a very good job here. Okay, where this here is 24 minus 2x, and this is 36 minus 2x, and this is x. So the volume is clearly then 24 minus 2x times by 36 minus 2x times by x, and this is given to be 1820, or at least 1820. Okay, so what is the value of x which will do that? First of all, I can factor out a minus 2 here, another minus 2 here. That's positive 4. $55 when I divide both sides by 4. Actually, I factored out negative 2, right? So it's x minus 12. I did that on purpose, so that my algebra will be a little bit cleaner. X minus 18. Okay, so let's see here. Let's actually break this 455 using factor tree. 5, 9, 1. Okay, and I think 13 works. Okay. So now note that here, so 455 is 5 times by 13 times by 7. And let's pick the smallest x to be 5. Then is it true that x minus 12, what is that equal to? It gives you negative 7, right? Okay, which is this essentially. And if we do 5 minus 18, we get 13. Well, minus 13, but there's two negatives, so it's going to give us 455. So therefore, it should be x is equal to 5. Okay. So let's factor this out. So you get because this might not be the smallest. Okay, it looks like it's a valid answer, but we have to check. So let's expand what we have in here first. We get x squared minus 12 minus 18, that's minus 30x, and then it's 12 times by 18. Multiply x in, you get x cubed minus 30x squared. Okay, and 12 times by 18x, bring the 455 out. So if you use synthetic division with 5, it should work. 1 minus 30, 12 times by 18, minus 455. So 5. So this is minus 5 times by 25. Let me just punch that in the calculator. 1, if you multiply by 5 again, 455, so it works out. So this factors into x minus 5. And you get a 5x squared minus 25x plus 91. Okay, from here we can get two more answers. Let's use the quadratic formula. So x is equal to 25 plus minus 25 squared minus 4, 5, c over 2, 5. Okay, let me punch that in the calculator. Negative value in here. So this becomes actually undefined. So 5 is the answer that we want. Okay. So determine the dimension. So it's got to be 5, 7 by 13.